got a very unusual and interesting and exciting, I think, video coming up for you. Let me explain why it's all of those things. Hi folks, I'm Craig Taylor, and as always, a huge thanks for joining me here on my YouTube channel, the Bushcraft Padawan. I'm a member of a Facebook group called Great Outdoors TV. It's run by a guy called Joss. It's open to anybody and everybody, but primarily it's for people that have got YouTube channels about the outdoors, not just bushcraft, but about the outdoors. Climbing, mountain biking, scrambling, mountaineering, wild camping, canoeing. If your YouTube channel is about getting out and enjoying the outdoors, whatever that looks like, then this is the kind of Facebook group to go to. It's also very welcoming of people that don't have a channel, but just enjoy watching other people do that sort of thing. I'm going to post a link to Joss's YouTube channel, but also the Facebook group down below for you to perhaps go and check it out if you want to. I'm sure Joss would be very welcoming of getting new people into the group. He had a great idea a few weeks ago. Let me tell you what it was. People that were interested in taking part in a mystery prize draw, unboxing, unopening on camera were invited to send him their name and address. He put all these names and addresses into a hat, and his wife randomly drew out one and assigned it to each person. So my name went into a hat and it got assigned to somebody else. Somebody else's name went into a hat and it got assigned to me. We were sent those names and addresses and a little set of instructions by Joss. He controlled it all. What we had to do is we had to go out, we had to buy a gift that we thought the other person would be interested in, maximum spend of £10. We packaged it up and we sent it to the address that Joss had given us with this little message inside, this pre-completed message. We filled the details in and we sent it to this person, and we had to ensure that on the package it was marked mystery box, so the person knew what was being received, and then the other person receiving it, on this occasion me, opens it live on camera and films the reaction. So I'm really hoping this isn't something rude that's maybe, I know, somebody's had a little error of mischief and gone to Anne Summers or something like that, because I've then got to publish this. So there is the parcel. I'm now going to open it live on camera. I'm going to kind of hold it this way if it's okay with you, because my name and address is on the front. So let's get this opened. I have no idea what this is. It's been sent to me very kindly by somebody else in this Facebook group, remember? Okay, so I can see a little tin in there. Oh, here we go. Here's the letter. Most of it pre-completed. Hi Craig, hope you are well. Here's your mystery box parcel, hope you like it. Please upload your unboxing video to YouTube. I'm recording it right now. Don't forget to mention the mystery box challenge from the Great Outdoors TV Facebook group. Box ticked, I've already done that. My channel is called North Wales Bushcrafters. Please get a mention in your unboxing video. North Wales Bushcrafters. I'm either a subscriber to your channel or I regularly see them come up and watch them. And it's quite interesting because I'm going on holiday to North Wales for a week in August, staying in Capel Curig. You're getting some time out on the ground there. All the very best, Trev. Big cheesy grinny smiley face emoji. Trev's also sent me a North Wales Bushcrafter sticker. Thank you, Trev, from North Wales Bushcrafter. And there's the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? What film's that from? A trusty Swiss Army knife with me. So let's get this undone. Let's get this unwrapped. It's well packaged up. Thank you, Trev. One thing made me smile as soon as I opened it. I'll probably try and come to that last. So wow, what have we got in here? Crikey Moses, we've got, there's a whistle there. There is, so whistle, thank you. I've only got one whistle and it's permanently attached to my summer shirt, and I was only thinking the other day I could really do one distributed amongst my kit, because if I forget to take it out or forget to wear that shirt, I'm kind of stuck. We've got a little capsule here. So I'm pretty sure that looks, it's got some powder in there. I'm pretty sure that's some form of shavings in there. And I would suspect it's some form of tinder. Trev, I'm not going to attempt to light this until you get back to me off the back of this video and say it is or isn't, just in case I take my hand off. It's gunpowder or something. And that's all nicely contained on some keychains and a small lanyard there. So really useful. Looking forward to finding out what's in that. I suspect it's some form of tinder, which is brilliant. And really, really happy with, if you just sent me the whistle, I'd have been happy with that. Thank you very much. Good timing. We can never have enough hanks of paracord, right? You know? Yeah, we've all got it. I've got loads of it at home. Have I got enough? Never. So it's great to see a little bit of extra paracord there. Ah, we've got a magnifying glass. Now I've got a Fresnel lens, but again, it sits in my fire starting kit. So to have one somewhere else, just in case I don't take my fire starting kit, look at that, it's barely the size of my thumbnail. It's the tip of my thumb. So looking forward to getting out if we ever get any sun. It's been beautiful weather recently. In the last 3 or 4 days, really bad rains and a lot of clouds. So as soon as it clears, I'm going to go out and give that a try. Box is going back between the knees again. I have a small capsule here, more knife capsule. What's in there? Oh, it's a cuts kit. Yeah, it's a more knife capsule with plasters in it. So we've got some first aid strips, yeah, they're plasters, they're elastoplasts in there. Thank you. Again, we've all got them. Could we do with more? Absolutely, we could do with more. Thank you very much, Trev. I'm saving the thing that made me smile till last. Ooh. I'm going to present the rest of the video with this on. We have a Caramore. Yeah, Caramore. Balaclava here. Fantastic. That's very warm. Feel the ears are touching the side of my head and they're cold, which obviously meant my ears were cold, but I couldn't feel it. Actually, I'm not going to present the rest of this in the video, just in case you can't hear me. Let me roll it up. But still keep it. Look at that, folds up into a nice hat as well. Very kind of you, Trev, thank you. We've got what looks like an absolutely brand new Light My Fire. Is it a Light My Fire? I can't see. I think it looks like a Light My Fire. We've got a brand new ferro rod. Again, we've all got a ferro rod, right? Could we all do with an extra one tucked away somewhere, packed away somewhere, but never get round to it? I know I could. So Trev, again, a huge thank you. I'm still grinning at what else is left in here. I'm going to save it to last. Ooh. That is good timing. That's very good timing. It looks like it's a Sol emergency blanket / shelter. I'll tell you why that's a good idea. It's because I actually used mine the other day. My dog went out, got into a river, didn't have anything to dry her off with, and I could actually see, because it was quite windy, she was shivering. So I kind of rubbed her down, dried her off in it and wrapped her up in the back of the car to bring her home. I was probably being somewhat overbearing, let's be quite honest, she was a dog. But yeah, so I used mine, resealable storage bag. Amazing timing, really, really good timing. I've just used one, I folded it up, the one I used I could reuse it again, but it had a few little nicks in it where I'd sort of caught her claws and things as I was shouting her in her collar. So again, really, really, really good timing. You're not stalking me at all, Trevor. You're not actually seeing what I'm doing, what I'm using, because your insight has been fantastic. Got an emergency card here. Message in your wallet. I wonder if this is for emergency contact. It is. It's emergency contact details. I don't carry any emergency contact details with me, if I'm honest. They're on my phone, if I've got my phone on me. So having something in the wallet that I suspect a lot of people would go to as a first port of call is very, very useful. And the thing that I've been smiling at is a small bottle, but large enough, Johnny Walker Red Label Blended Scotch Whiskey. Sent me a little bottle of whiskey there, Red Label. I'm in awe, Trev, North Wales Bushcrafter. I'm in awe. I'm very humbled by what you've sent me. I'm a bit speechless. Everything in there, there's an absolute use for. I either need it, I was about to need it, I could do with more of it. So clearly shows that you know what you're doing and what you're talking about, because it's a very well thought out, put together £10 package there. I do wonder whether you stuck to the £10 spending rules, my friend. Whether you did or didn't is somewhat irrelevant. It's the thought that counts. Remember, let's not get hooked up on what things do or don't cost. But a massive thanks. Let's look again. Emergency contact card is in there. Space blanket, emergency blanket, paracord, cuts kit, bottle of whiskey, ferro rod. They're my car keys. Whistle, little capsule that I suspect has got some form of tinder on it, but need to confirm that. Tiny little magnifying glass, little Fresnel lens. That's a receipt out of my pocket. That's my phone, and the sticker as well. Oh, and of course, I'm thinking it was what I'm wearing on my head as well. So Trev, North Wales Bushcrafter, I'm incredibly grateful. Thank you, and I'm sure on behalf of Joss, for taking part in the competition. Thank you for putting such time and effort into putting such a cool kit together. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I've not put together my parcel to send on to somebody else yet, but you've certainly, for me, you've set the benchmark very high indeed. Thank you, my friend. Go and check out, now I know who it is, go and check out Trev's North Wales Bushcrafters channel as well. I'm going to link to that. I'm going to link to Joss's channel. I'm going to link to the Facebook group, all in the description below this. Check these guys out. They're a good bunch of guys. Everyone in that channel is a good bunch of guys. But today, Trev is my best of the bunch of guys. Thanks, Trev. Hopefully you've enjoyed that video, folks. A little different. Maybe it's given you an inspiration to do something similar yourself. Maybe it's given you inspiration, I hope, to go out and check out Joss's Facebook group and see what's going on in there. A little bit unusual. Hope you enjoyed the video. Very narcissistic of me to talk about what I've just received as a gift. But you never know. Maybe there was something in there and you thought to yourself, oh, I need to buy one of those, or I've just used that, or I've lost that. Maybe there's something in there that's given you a little jog of memory. Please do consider sharing this video to other people. Give it a thumbs up if you've liked it. Share it if you think that there's other people that would enjoy watching it. But above all, let me know below if there's anything in there that's jogged your memory that you might have forgotten about. For example, the whistle and things. I keep thinking about buying a whistle and it instantly goes in one ear and out the other. So thanks for reading my mind, Trev. Cheers, folks. Thanks for watching.